as the regime steps up the campaign against its enemies. Burned buildings mark the terrain of battle. Yet it was here a year ago that the Syrian people overcame their fears. In Deraa, the first large demonstration against the Assad regime. At Omari Mosque, on the front of the demonstrations, the cars of the secret police were chased away. Omar, he's asked us to protect his identity, was there.
You don't have that feeling. You have it. If you will ask anyone, he will tell you already. That time, we got a kind of freedom.
But freedom's ecstasy was short. On the same day, the regime sisters witnessed its brutality.
One injured protester fell to the ground. He tried to escape by crawling his way to safety.
Let's see if we can upload
But they
it.
apprehended him.